Do you ever sit down to code, but 5-10 minutes later, you're watching YouTube shorts or scrolling Instagram? Yeah, I have been there. Coding is powerful, it can change your life. But let's be real. Sometimes it feels boring, frustrating, or just too hard to stick with. So today, I'm going to show you how to make coding so addictive that you actually look forward to doing it every single day. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have a completely different approach to coding. Imagine waking up excited to code. No procrastination, no distractions, just pure focus and fun. Sounds impossible. It's not. The secret, you have to rewire your brain so that coding feels as rewarding as checking your phone. Here is how to do it. And yeah, dare not to miss the sixth point. First thing first, turn coding into a game. Every time you solve a problem, complete a project, or even fix a bug, reward yourself. Just like video games give you points for small achievements, create your own scoring system. Give yourself a star for every challenge solved or track your progress with a daily streak. When your brain sees progress, it gets hooked. Forget boring tutorials. If you want coding to be addictive, work on projects that excite you. Love music? Build a playlist generator. Into fitness? Create a step tracker. The more fun the project, the easier it is to stay engaged. When you build something you actually want to use, you won't have to force yourself to code. It will happen naturally. One big mistake people make is setting massive goals like, I will build an entire app today. That's overwhelming. Instead, break it into tiny wins. Your first win, print hello world. Next win, add user input. Each small success triggers a dopamine hit, and before you know it, you are hooked. Small wins lead to big results. Coding alone can feel lonely, but if you turn it into a challenge with friends, it gets exciting. Compete to solve problems faster, share your progress, or even set up coding bets like whoever finishes this feature last buys coffee. When there is a little competition, coding feels like a sport, and suddenly it's way more fun. Text-heavy coding lessons can feel like reading a dictionary. Instead, learn it in a way that's visually engaging. Use interactive platforms, watch explainer videos, or create mind maps of concepts. When you see how things connect, learning becomes easier and more enjoyable. Alright, here's the part you dare not to miss, the game changer. Imagine learning how to swim by only reading about it. You study the techniques, watch tutorials, memorize every move, but when you jump in the water, you sink like a rock. Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what happens if you just watch coding tutorials without actually coding. So here is the golden rule. Learn for 30 minutes, build for 30 minutes. Don't just watch, apply it immediately. Build something, no matter how small. The moment you start creating, your brain locks in what you have learned. And that's when coding stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a second nature. Think of coding like telling a story. Every function, every variable, every line of code has a purpose. When you start thinking about code as a narrative, something that unfolds step by step, it becomes more interesting. Plus, when your code has a story, debugging feels more like solving a mystery rather than fixing a mistake. So there you have it. Coding isn't boring. It's just about finding the right way to make it fun and rewarding. Turn it into a game, set small goals, work on exciting projects, and challenge yourself. Do this, coding will become so addictive that you won't even want to stop. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments what's the coolest project you have built so far. See you in the next video.